Change is the only constant. Yes, Pega is not an exception to this. Pega keeps innovating and evolving the existing features as per changes across the industry. Pega's UI kit is replaced with a Theme Cosmos from Pega 8 version. Migrating from the older approach to a new approach is mandatory to be compliant, but at the same time it is not an easy task. It requires some effort in analysis, fixing, rewriting the code, etc. This is applicable for a UI kit to Theme Cosmos feature in Pega 2. At HCL, we innovated a tool in Pega to automate the UI kit to Theme Cosmos with a wizard called U2C. You select the application and access groups while running the wizard, while the rest is taken care of by U2C. We bring in many useful features to you as part of U2C. Wizard-based application, no disruption to the existing code or configuration. An option to undo or roll back anytime. Built-in intelligence to include or skip some Pega rules as per your customization and more. Well, the benefit in using this tool is that you can quickly switch from Pega UI Kit to Theme Cosmos in all your Pega applications that are running in version 8.3. It reduces the development cost in analysis and retrofitting. Further, the benefits are widespread across low-code applications, workflows for case management, any customer-facing applications, improving the user experience, and more. If you are planning to use Pega version 8.3 and beyond, then it is mandatory for you to leave the UI kit and start using Theme Cosmos. Beware of the fact that the UI kit will soon be deprecated and you must move to Theme Cosmos. The sooner, the better. Our UTC helps you to quickly solve this puzzle. Join our hands in this migration.